What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bree, and today is not a wig. We trying to tape ins. This hair is from NiaWigs, so shout out to y'all for sending your girl these bundles. Get into them. Oh my god. Tape ins, little extensions or whatever. This texture is kinky straight and it's 24 inches. Can't wait to add it because I'm giving like 8, maybe 3. I maybe went a little overboard, but still 24. Okay, so y'all, now I have did almost like half of my head. You can kind of see my hair, but I'm gonna focus on blending later. Let's just get it all installed. Because so y'all, up here I really want to focus, so I'm gonna make sure I try to do it where I can get a side part, a middle part, half up, half down, all the styles. Cause okay, so real quick tutorial, you want a little piece of hair, you want to take your first one. I start on the top first and I go like this much away from my root. This is my root and I'm down here, so it's like an inch, I guess. And then I take the bottom one and I line it up exactly where my first one is, and I just push them together like this. Push, push, push. In there. In there like somewhere. This is my hair that grew overnight. Messy bun for the win. I feel Puerto Rican with this hair. Even past the sleek back test. Okay. See, pony for the win. This is, y'all can't say this ain't my hair. Yo, get into the look, okay? Period. If y'all want to see me style this hair, make sure y'all spam down below part two. And I'll style this hair for y'all. But as of right now, she giving messy bun, messy pony. Cause who?